Mom and dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, yeah. Put that on cut when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go cool with that jump, my bad.
Alright, y'all, just got in. I just got the stuff on the table real quick. Let me show you guys what I got, let y'all know what I'm gonna do with it. This not everything, because I couldn't show y'all a few things, but on a clearance, on their clearance side, I seen the Mott's for Tots, and I told y'all Philip don't like Mott's apple juice, so I'm drinking this. I got this for me. It was on sale for $1 on their clearance row. So if y'all don't go down Walmart, because I know a lot of people go down Target's dollar aisle, y'all go down they clearance aisle. It's over there by the party supplies. But these were $1 each. And I know they're for toddlers, but I got this for me. And it's just a mixed berry juice. So I got some Jolly Rancher, the Jelly Hearts, they're cherry, strawberry, and watermelon. I got some Hershey Kisses to go in containers, some Sour Patch Kids for Philip. So I'm going to throw some of these. And then the trolley, or the, I'm going to say troll, Sour Bites Heart. I'm going to put those in a pack for him. I got him one Hershey, it's just the Hershey candies in red. It's the little hearts I'm going to throw in his bag. I got him a pack of Hubba Bubba gum, just a round one. A notepad, because he loves to draw. So it's the one that got a truck, said I never get tired of you. And then I'm going to put it in his little, I love you, the puppy with the shades. I'm going to put it in there. And then he got the yummy milk chocolate candy. He loved white chocolate. So I got him that. I didn't want to get him too much chocolate. So I'm just going to, like I said, just fix it with that, with him, with this, and he'll love it. And then I got me some of these too, because I like them. Then I got some Hershey chocolates, some M&M's. These are the ones with peanuts. And then I got some Starburst jelly beans, a thing of Funyuns. So I wanted me some Funyuns. And I got this little cup here. And I got this one for Mama Margaret. And it just say, I love me. And then it got a red heart on the inside. The gold handle. And it's black and white around the side. And then I got this one here for Mama E. And it just got still gold handle, but it's black with the X's and O's. X's and O's. X's and O's and hearts. So what I'm going to do is just put some little Hershey's. And well, Mama E can't eat the chocolate. So I'm going to give her a little bit of these, the Jelly Ranchers hearts. And then some Starbursts in hers. And then I got some peppermints. Because like I said, she can't have chocolate. So that'll be for her. So I'm going to put some of these in there for her. These in there for hers with some peppermints and her little thing. And then Mama, I'm going to give her an arrangement of stuff. So just something short and sweet. You know.
These for me?
No.
I don't have a Valentines.
I'm sorry. And you told me the other day, you said I'm not gonna be here, so y'all gonna have to change it because you said you got a man and you get married. I gotta get me a man, and I said, well, I don't know him, so he ain't got nothing to do with me. So nope, I didn't. That's what you said.
Yeah, I said that's why I wasn't gonna be here.
Okay. Well, anywho, I'm not buying. I didn't buy any chocolate for my adult children. When they was younger, I used to always buy them candy. But well, I might get you something. But as of now, this stuff right here is not for them. If I do go get them something, it'll be something simple. But they got somebody. They grown. They got somebody. I got this for my mama's, Philip, and then like I said, I really didn't even get much for Jordan because he didn't ask for much. Well, really, he didn't ask for anything. But I didn't want to just not, get him something. But y'all know, like I said, it's mainly for the mamas. And if Jordan gets something, y'all will see that on Valentine's Day or however. But like I said, if I do get some candy, I'll probably just buy candy and put a basket out or something on the table like we do for Easter. And then when the kids come, they can grab them some candy. But like I said, I got grown kids, okay? So yeah. Oh, and then I got Philip these Valentine's cards because he needs them for school. And then also he had to send, well, he had to send $2 for his Valentine's party. And that just cover, if every child bring their money, that'll cover for their party and candy. Because due to, you know, the pandemic, they don't want people bringing stuff other than cards. And then the school is hosting a pizza party, but they let them buy either a flower or candy for somebody, you know, that they like. So you got to fill out the cards. Excuse me, the cards. So he did 6. He did 3 for his teachers, and he did 3 for each one of his friends. So he got 1 for each one of the girls, so he's 3 total. And then, like I said, he got 1 for each one of his teachers, so he ended up with a total of 6. So we filled that out and sent it yesterday. So yeah, so that was it. Then I picked up that Papa's mama made cabbage. That's it over there in that container. So I'm finna eat some chicken and some cabbage. But yeah, so, and I already said the funniest. So like I said, the rest of the stuff I really can't show on camera. But I will be back with you guys, so y'all just stay tuned. What? Well, I guess Jordan wanted me to show y'all this. I would. Now I'm finna wrap this video up because I'm tired. But he got a video that will be coming out. You made both steaks?
Yeah. And what I did, they're well done, guys. I pan-set them, just seasoned with salt and pepper. I used 2 tablespoons of olive oil.
But why would you tell them if the video gonna be out tomorrow? Have them go watch the video.
Okay, well, y'all just go watch the video. Voila. There you go.
If y'all interested in seeing how he cooked these, he did 1 for him and 1 for Mama Margaret. I told y'all he asked me to get some chicken for Mama E. And then we got some cabbage and Mama made rice. No, thank you. I'm good. But, yeah. So, y'all go check his video out. Link in the description box below. Cooking with the Crew. So, yeah. So, I see you guys. Thank y'all so much for watching. Always being a part of our family. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And we will see you guys later. Bye, y'all.